Hi, I'm Inoue of Kobayashi Foods. Today, I'll show you how to cook delicious kelp broth. After having seen this video, you come to be able to do it. I promise to you. Then, let's begin it. Please prepare for this to cook very tasty kelp broth. 20 gram kelp, 1 liter of water, some kitchen paper, a pot, and chopsticks. At first, wipe the surface of kelp with kitchen paper. Pour 1 liter of water into a pot. Don't put it on the fire yet then. Next, soak kelp in the water of the pot. For 30 minutes, keep kelp in the water. See you again 30 minutes later. Okay, it's about time. It looks like that. Thank you for waiting. We can finally put the pot on the stove. I'm sorry, but please wait only a little more. I'll talk about 2 important points which you should be careful on warming water. The first one, please warm the water by medium heat by all means. If you warm the water by strong heat, unpleasant slimes and bad smells appear from kelp. The second one, please take kelp out of the water by all means right before water boils. The broth becomes bad taste if you don't do so. Please wait a little time until the water boils. Warm the water by medium heat. Take kelp out of the water by right before water boils using chopsticks. And turn off the burner. Its completion in this. It smells good. Only the person who was able to follow these 2 points can enjoy delicious kelp broth. Don't worry, you can do it. Let's try and enjoy the delicious kelp broth for some dishes. Thank you for watching our channel. See you again. Bye.